Hey guys, this is Rita and welcome to our video. Today I'm excited to introduce you to the amazing tracked skid steel loader TS125. The TS125 can handle 1,500 kilograms with its 0.6 cubic meters bucket, making it ideal for various materials. In construction, it efficiently moves bricks, sand, and gravel. In agriculture, it is great for hay bales and barn cleanup. Under the hood, the TS125 comes with a standard VHI Tier 3 engine. This engine pumps out 140 horsepower, ensuring smooth operation and high fuel efficiency. The cab can be lifted up, allows mechanics quick and unhindered access to the components with reduced maintenance time and effort. Thanks for watching. See you next time.